Have you ever wondered how something so simple, so quiet, can carry so much power? PVCcable.com feels like that whisper in the dark, guiding energy, connecting dreams. It could be a cozy online shop for custom wire art, or maybe a startup bringing solar light to rural schools, or even a homegrown brand reimagining garden tech. A platform, perhaps, teaching safe DIY electrical skills to teens. It's soft-spoken, sure, but steady. There's something grounding about it, like it knows what it's doing. PVCcable.com doesn't shout, it hums. And in that hum lives possibility, warmth, and a kind of quiet confidence.